Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are exploring Romell Ariana, a premium residential project by Romell Group in Mumbai, a location known for its connectivity, lifestyle conveniences, and strong residential appeal. If you are searching for a well-connected home with modern amenities, this project deserves your attention. Before we deep dive, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. The project is located at Shubh Jeevan Circle of New Link Road in IC Colony, Borivali West. The project is ideally positioned close to the Mandapeshwar metro station and New Link Road, making daily commuting straightforward to key routes like the Western Express Highway. It is spread across about 0.93 acres. The development consists of 2 residential buildings of aggregate 170 premium units, designed to offer contemporary urban living in one of Mumbai's sought-after suburbs. The project offers spacious 2 BHK apartments, perfect for young families, professionals and investors looking for a compact yet comfortable home. These 2 BHK units range from approximately 682 to 741 square feet, intelligently planned to maximize space and natural light. If we talk about the price, Romell Ariana typically start around rupees 1.89 crore and go up to rupees approximately 2.23 crore for these 2 BHK apartments. Romell Ariana offers a range of lifestyle and recreational amenities which includes swimming pool, gymnasium, children's play area, multi-purpose hall and play courts, yoga and meditation spaces, 24/7 CCTV and secured access. Borivali West is one of Mumbai's most popular suburban localities, offering excellent connectivity via Western Line local trains, metro, buses and major roads. So if you are looking for a perfect house or an investment option, here is Romell Ariana. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more such property reviews. Thanks for watching and Har House ke liye housing.